As an AMD developer, you're likely familiar with the power of our GPUs in AI computing and machine learning. But did you know that our open-source programming model, HIP, can help you take your code to the next level? In this video, we'll be exploring the key differences between HIP and CUDA, and walking through a step-by-step guide on how to migrate your code to HIP. Whether you're working on deep learning models or high-performance computing applications, this is an essential watch for any developer looking to get the most out of their AMD GPUs. As we mentioned earlier, one of the key differences between HIP and CUDA is that HIP is an open-source programming model developed by AMD. This means that developers have more control over their code and can modify it to suit their specific needs. In contrast, CUDA is a proprietary programming model developed by NVIDIA, which can limit the flexibility of your code. Another key difference between HIP and CUDA is their support for multiple GPU architectures. HIP supports ROCm, while CUDA only supports NVIDIA GPUs. This means that developers using HIP can take advantage of a wider range of hardware options. Now that we've covered the key differences between HIP and CUDA, let's walk through a step-by-step guide on how to migrate your code to HIP. First, you'll need to install ROCm and the HIP compiler. So why should you use HIP instead of CUDA? The benefits are clear. With HIP, you'll enjoy improved performance and increased flexibility in your code. And with its open-source model, you'll have more control over your code and be able to modify it to suit your specific needs. In conclusion, HIP is a powerful open-source programming model developed by AMD that offers improved performance and increased flexibility. By migrating your code from CUDA to HIP, you'll be able to take advantage of the power of AMD GPUs and achieve better results in AI computing and machine learning. Thanks for watching this video on migrating to HIP from CUDA. If you're interested in learning more about HIP and how to get started with it, be sure to check out the AMD ROCm documentation and community resources. And don't forget to join our #AMDevs community for the latest updates and news on AI computing and machine learning. We'll see you in the next video.